Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Drive tips and tricks on PC. And in today's video, I will show you how to simply permanently delete files from your Google Drive on PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to make sure you log into your Chrome browser. And the next thing you want to do is to come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on this Google Apps. Then come down below right here and make sure you go ahead and click on Drive right here. So go ahead and click on Drive and it's going to take you right here. Then you can delete file from home page or from folder. So in this tutorial, we're going to use a file from home page right here. So this particular file right here. So select the file that you want to delete. Once you select the file, next thing you want to do right here is to come to the top right here. You have this particular icon, which is trash icon right here. Go ahead and click on it. And the file has been successfully deleted, just like so, but it's not fully deleted because it's moved to trash bin. And for you to completely delete it, what you need to do is to go ahead and come down below right here, go ahead and click on bin. So under the bin, you still have the file right here. Simply select the file and go ahead and click on this particular icon right here. Go ahead and click on delete forever, then delete forever. Go ahead and click on delete forever, and the file will be completely deleted. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how to use your Google Drive or PC, consider subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.